NAT gateway host isolation. So we solve one problem, and that is when you have internal instance, and you want to do maintenance, you want to install patches, or you want to connect it for any other maintenance. What you do is you set up Bastion host, and in the same subnet, and then you connect to that particular instance via SSH with internal domain name service or internal IP address. But in case of, say, there is another network and you want to connect from the second network instance, you want to connect or access the services which are there in the instance one, or the network one, instance one, which is internal. What you do is you actually create a NAT gateway, and that gateway takes all the traffic from the instance 3, and that traffic gets routed using IP forwarding rules to the instance one. That's how you have instance created as a NAT gateway. Do you think of any use case here for this one? You guessed it right. So you can think of there is another either the VPC or the network, or you can think of data center services. They want to get connection to the cloud internal instance. That's where you can use the instance to as an NAT gateway to isolate the traffic or isolate it from the world, right? That's it for NAT instance. You can again go ahead and create some firewall rules. You can restrict traffic from a particular instance only to the instance 2, right? So you can have all those rules defined to restrict any other traffic to this particular instance 2. And that's it for NAT gateway host isolation. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll see network pricing in next chapter. Thanks.